Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, let's try how to learn divide object on CorelDRAW. Okay, I will insert image first. Yeah, we have 1850 pixel width and height 4388 pixel. Yeah, but now I will change this width to 2000 pixel and height 4000 pixel. Yeah, I want to divide this object 8 object. Yeah, I set use graph paper tool and set column 2 and row 4. Yeah, okay, look like this. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now I change this width 2000 pixel and 4000 pixel. Okay, remember we must active snap to guideline and snap to object. Okay, I will change here. Okay, that's it. And then I move this graph to where is order to back. Yeah, okay, let's try. I use shape tool. Yeah, I use shape tool and function 4. Yeah, I will change this node to here. I will change node to here. Okay, don't worry because we have setting the use snap to object. Yeah, okay, we have once and then we can copy and then paste. Yeah, and take shape tool and move here and one move here. That's it. Now we have two objects divide. Yeah, okay, let's try. I take the position now. Okay, that's it. Yeah, Control C, Control V, use shift tool, move down and then move down. Yeah, Control C, Control V. Okay, and next session I will teach all of you how to divide object from Photoshop. Yeah, Control C, Control V, shift tool and move here and move here. We have all object it's same image. Yeah, but they divide one by one. Control C, and then move here, and then move here. Okay, and the last Control C, Control V, move the node, yeah, like this. Okay, if you worried, you can like this, yeah, to check it. Okay, that's it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, that's how to define object use CorelDRAW. Okay, but now I will save the project first. Okay, where is the folder? Okay, define, yeah, object. Okay, don't remember, yeah, don't remember. Okay, divide object. Okay, divide H, yeah, divide H, save. Okay, don't remember, we must, yeah, we must know part by part, and we can export, yeah, export file, export, or Control E, yeah, or Control E, we can. Okay, where's okay, define object. Okay, divide, we can save as use, use number, yeah. Next we will know part by part with number of file, yeah, maybe 1, and then maybe 2, yeah, number 2. Okay, number 4, sorry, number 3. Okay, number 3, that's it. Okay, number 4. Okay, number 4. This object we can lay out on Dreamweaver, maybe, yeah, we can lay out for web design, maybe. Okay, next I will teach all of you how to lay out on web design, use Dreamweaver, yeah. That's maybe a great image layout if we have defined the object. Okay, yeah, let's finish. Okay, save. Okay, if we want to check, we can take a step like this, yeah. Okay, and don't remember, we have snapping facility. We can use this facility to make a neat layout. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson.
See you soon, Sobat Tris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.